We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will answer the question that is, how much does the DJI Mini 3 Pro weigh? So that's a very easy information to obtain or to figure out. So here I have the DJI Mini 3 Pro manual opened. So in the production profile section at the introduction part, you'll find that the DJI Mini 3 Pro also boasts a foldable and compact design, weight in less than 249 grams, as you can see. So that's your answer. The weight of this drone is about 249 grams. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.